In this question, an equivalence relation R in A divided into an equivalence classes A1, A2, A3. What is the value of A1 union A2 union A3 and A1 intersection A2 intersection A3? So what we need to find in this question is A1 union, A2 union, A3. This thing we need to find. And the second thing we need to find in this question is A1 intersection. So this is the sign of intersection, A2 and A3. So these two things we need to find. The answer for this first thing is equal to the set A, and the answer for this is equal to 5. Nothing is common in this case. So how I got these answers? So let me explain this thing to you. So first of all, look at this question. Here it is given set A is divided into an equivalence classes. So set A is divided into an equivalent classes means, let me explain this thing to you. Let us understand this with the help of the example. So directly we can give the answer for this one marker question. So if A is equal to, suppose let us understand this with the help of the example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So A is this, these are the elements in A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ये A के अंदर elements हैं. So अब मैं A1 बनाता हूं. सपोज A1 इज द इक्विवेलेंस क्लास. इक्विवेलेंस क्लास मींस इसी के अंदर से, A से ही हम लोगों ने, इट इज लाइक अ सबसेट ऑफ A, राइट. 1, 2. सपोज आई A1 इज दिस and A2 is this. Suppose A2 is 3, 4 and suppose A3 is 5, right. Now in this case if you find union here, union of all these three, अगर आप तीनों का यूनियन, अगर इक्विवेलेंस क्लास होती हैं तो इनका जो इक्विवेलेंस क्लासेस का जो यूनियन आता है, द यूनियन ऑफ द इक्विवेलेंस क्लासेस, union A, union A3. So union means, I hope you understand what is union. Union means all the element of A1, A2, A3. Union means सारे elements ले लेने हैं A1 के, A2 के और A3 के, right. So क्या आएगा? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is equal to set A. So that's why I have written here answer is A in this case. Right. Now look at the second case here. Second case is to find out the intersection. Now look at this second case, A1 and A2 and A3. So you please tell me the common element. Intersection means this is the sign for intersection, and intersection means common elements. So we need to find out the common elements in intersection, right. Now find out the common element in this case. A1 के अंदर, A2 के अंदर और A3 के अंदर क्या कौन कौन से एलिमेंट कॉमन है? तो यहाँ पे कॉमन तो कुछ भी नहीं है. सो कॉमन कुछ भी नहीं है तो हम लोगों ने ब्रैकेट बनाए और वो एम्प्टी ब्रैकेट्स रह जाएंगे, राइट. इट इज डिनोटेड बाय 5 आल्सो एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड एज नल सेट. Null set means a set which do not have any element inside it. That is called as null set. I hope this question is clear to you. We can directly give the answer for this question. The answer for the union is A and answer for the intersection is 5. So this is the explanation part. You can directly give the answer for this question.